YMCA in my browser and then clicking on the first thing that comes up. This brings me to the general website, and I'm going to go ahead and go onto locations to click onto YMCA at American Tobacco. Once I've done that, I will scroll further down and choose classes and schedules. And here is the list of all the classes that are currently being offered. And it looks like Saturday, tomorrow, is Chuck's cycle class at 9 a.m. and the class is full. You'll notice though that there is a sign up icon here right next to the description, and that's true for all of the classes listed right now. I'm going to go to Tuesday when he teaches it next at 6 p.m. and it shows it is, like you said, outside the YMCA entrance, which is by that waterfall. It shows that there are 9 spots left. This is the maximum. So I'm going to go and click on sign up, and it requires me to log in. I previously created a login, and it asked me for my membership ID number, which I found on my keychain or my ID card. So I created that, and now I'm going to log in, but it's telling me that this class is not yet available for sign up, and that the sign up for this class starts on the 8th at 6 a.m. So I will be logged in and ready to sign up at that time to make sure I get a spot. Okay, I hope this was helpful, Miss Shirley. Feel free to call or text me.